So there's nearly 3000 rupee worth of discount on the 70mm A510 dashcam in the currently going on Amazon sale. That's a crazy deal, and this would be the best opportunity to get this dashcam. That being said, let's quickly take a look at the most popular dashcam from 70mm and Nexdigitron, see what prices they are trending at and decide which one suits you the best. Let's take a look. Starting off with the cheapest dashcam in the world to get a Starvice 2 sensor, I'm talking about the 70mm M200. Gets the Starvice 2 IMX662 sensor, shoots a full HD resolution with HDR, gets voice control and also supports memory cards up to 128 GB. Now this has been one of the most popular and go-to dashcam under the budget segment simply because it gets a Starvice 2 sensor, and that makes a huge difference during night driving. So this dashcam normally trends at 4,999, but in the sale you're gonna get it at 4,729. That's close to 300 rupees worth of discount. So rather than paying 4,999, it's always better to pay 4,700 rupees. Probably there won't be any credit card discount on this because it's of a low budget segment, but still savings of 300 rupees is still worth it. Moving on to the next dashcam under the budget segment from 70mm, the M310 stands out with its 2K resolution, Type-C interface, voice control and a larger storage capacity of 256 GB. Although it doesn't get a Starvice 2 sensor, the higher storage capacity, the Type-C interface and the improved resolution is what should make this dash camera count. So this camera normally trends at 3,999, but in this Amazon sale it's coming down to 3,299. That's close to 700 rupee worth of discount. Definitely one of the finest dash cameras from 70mm. You should consider this if you have a budget of close to 3,000 rupees. Moving on to the next and the most popular dash cam from 70mm probably in the world, the A510, simply because of its total value for money proposition. Now this gets a Starvice 2 IMX675 sensor, shoots a 1944p resolution video, gets voice control, gets GPS, gets ADAS, gets a screen. Basically this camera has everything going on for it. Normally this camera trends at 13,999, that's 14,000 rupees. Now in this Amazon sale the price has been reduced to 12,399, and on top of it you can grab a credit card discount, bringing down the price effectively to about 11,150 rupees. That's about 3,000 rupee worth of discount on the A510. This is not a chance which you should miss, because if you are looking to get the A510 you won't find a better opportunity. 3,000 rupees is a lot. You can practically buy a memory card for this and even save money still more. So go ahead and grab the A510 simply because it's total value for money, coming in at a price of 11,000 rupees. I wouldn't recommend going in with a front only variant because always it's better to have a dual channel setup. So go with the A510 dual channel and you won't regret that decision. That being said, moving on to another popular dash cam from 70mm. So this is a mirror dash cam. That's the 70mm S500, also gets a Starvice 2 sensor, and I personally tried and tested out this dash camera and it's simply beautiful to look at and very beautiful to use. Now this camera also provides you a very large display, basically a mirror display, gets you a rear camera view with reverse camera assist, gets one of the most finest user interfaces seen on any dash cam, and normally this dash cam trends at about 17,999, that's 18,000 rupees. Now in this Amazon sale the price has come down to 17,000, and on top of it the credit card discounts, you will get this camera at about 15,500 rupees. So that's nearly 2,500 to 3,000 rupee worth of discount on the S500, the rear view mirror camera from 70mm. Excellent choice if you're someone who is looking for a reverse assist view along with a built-in dash cam, along with the goodness of a Starvice 2 sensor. Best choice within that price range. Go ahead with the 70mm S500. Moving on to the next option, the pioneers of bringing in the Starvice 2 native 4K resolution under the 20,000 segment, the 70mm A210 has the flawless video quality from its front camera. This camera gets a Starvice 2 IMX678 sensor with native 4K resolution, gets a large display, gets a dual channel setup, gets ADAS features, lots of other interesting stuff with the A210. One of the finest dash cams from 70mm, coming in normally at a price of 19,999, that's 20,000 rupees. Now in the sale the price has been reduced to 18,900. So you have a discount of about 1,000 rupees, and on top of it credit card discounts, you will get this camera close to 17,400 rupees. So that's nearly again 2,500 rupee worth of discount on the A810. That's native 4K Starvice 2 camera. Best deal ever. You should consider this if you're looking for a native 4K camera with a flawless Starvice 2 sensor effect and one of the finest cameras 70mm has ever produced. That being said, moving on to the most premium and the high-end model from 70mm, the 70mm Omni X800. So this is the world's first 360-degree rotatable dash cam. This is basically the dash cam from the future, simply because you can use your voice to rotate the camera any direction you want, and it also gets active motion detection, which can basically track any people who might be approaching your car when your car is parked. So this is a dual star to setup, and this camera normally turns at 33,999. That's about 34,000 rupees. But in this sale, the price has been reduced to 33,100. And on top of it, you get a credit card discount, bringing down the price close to 31,000 rupees. That's nearly 3,000 rupee worth of discount on the X800, the 360-degree rotatable dash cam. Wonderful, wonderful camera, and one of the most futuristic cameras. You won't find such camera from any other dashcam brand in the world. The X800 is simply in a league of its own. So tremendous discounts on almost all 70mm cameras, especially the A510 and the X800. Definitely must buy cameras from 70mm. You get the excellent service support in India, where Nexdigitron you get the brand backing and the reliability of 70mm. So go ahead and grab these 70mm dash cams at crazy discounted prices, because you will not be getting this again anytime soon. Moving on to the next brand, that's Nexdigitron. So Nexdigitron has one of the most popular dual and triple channel setup camera in the name of Prime Plus. So the Prime Plus is India's first modular dashcam, basically because it has several modules which you can attach and detach. It gets a magnetic mount for the main dashcam. You can also attach and reattach the interior camera. So Prime Plus gets a previous generation StarVis IMX415 sensor. That's a native 4K resolution from the front and a full HD from the rear in a dual channel setup. If you do use the triple channel setup, you get about 2.5K resolution from the front, the full HD resolution from the cabin, and a full HD resolution from the rear. This camera also gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets GPS, and also gets a 256 GB memory card support. So normally the dual channel setup trends at about 10,999, that's close to 11,000 rupees. But in this Amazon sale, the price has been dropped to 9,799, and on top of it, the credit card discounts, you can get the dual channel setup at about 8,800 rupees only. Moving on to the triple channel variant, this normally turns at about 12,999, but in this Amazon sale, the price has been reduced to 11,999, and on top of it, adding in the credit card discounts, the price comes down to about 10,700 rupees for the triple channel variant. Close to 10,000 rupees, you're getting a StarVis IMX415 triple channel dashcam. Totally worth the money if you're in the market looking for a non-StarVis 2 dashcam with a modular design, with a cool display, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the rest of the stuff. Talking about the entry-level dashcam from Nexdigitron, that's the Ace 2, and it's probably one of the only dashcams within the 5,000 segment to give you a GPS logger, give you a 1-inch display, give you a 2K resolution. I mean, lots and lots of stuff we usually find in the above 5,000 segment, you get it under 5,000. So Nexdigitron Ace 2 normally turns at 4,999, but in this Amazon sale, the price has been reduced to about 4,200 rupees. No credit card discount as such, but still saving in about 700 to 800 rupees on one of the most value for money budget dash cams from Nexdigitron. Definitely one to consider if you have that kind of a budget. Nexdigitron has its own service center located in Pune and an amazing WhatsApp service support. You can be assured that all your service requests will be attended immediately. So 70mm and Nexdigitron both are having a blast on the Amazon sale with the biggest discounts ever seen in the year 2025. So go ahead, grab any one of these favorite dash cams. All the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Don't waste this opportunity. The prices are not going to be so less for a long time. This is a limited period offer, and Amazon will probably bump up the prices as soon as they find it convenient. Go ahead, grab them right now. Do not waste any more of your time. See you in the next one.